Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we got this new problem in computer science Python coding, which says write a program that should prompt the user to type some sentences or sentences followed by enter. Then it should print the original sentences and the following statistics relating to the sentences: number of words, then number of characters including white spaces and punctuations, and then percentage of characters that are alphanumeric. So first of all, I will tell you all guys that right here there's a term called alphanumeric which needs to be explained because many may be not getting it. It means alphabet plus numeric literals is termed as alphanumeric. So it's simple. Alphabets plus numeric literals is equals to alphanumeric. Then there's the other thing in this code which asks us to tell how to tell the number of words. So we're gonna make some logic for that. We're gonna make the logic for number of characters, and the statistics relating to these are all that. So you see in the question, and let's follow up with it. So right here we would say, for example, as it's told to us, prompt the user to type some sentences. So here it said the user should type some sentences. So here we can take input and type a sentence, and then we could say it like, oh, sorry for the typos, and the user will type a sentence. Now we will create a variable for number of words, and words we have taken it, we will use it in logic, and we've taken it as 1 rather than usually the characters or the variables we defined, which are taken as 0. But here we're not taking that, it's taken as 1 because obviously anything you've started there would be at least 1 word or 1 sentence. That's why. So here we are gonna sort it out for the words, number of words. So we're taking it as 1. Now we're gonna take number of characters, which is pretty easy to tell. We can just, for number of characters, we can use a function which is len, which tells the length of the string. And here I'm gonna put the string which we have taken as input, which is p. Then okay, let me shut this out. CHRs, that would be better. Number of CHRs, yeah, right there. Then we're gonna do it with alphanumeric. So alnum, here we define it as 0 because maybe they are, maybe they're not in the string. That's why we have defined it as 0. We will put a driver code and then we will check whether they are. But for the words, the number of words, we take it as 1. I've told it you why. If not understood it, you can just go back in the video. So now we're creating a range for, oh, I didn't take a variable for the range for I and range, and here actually we're not taking it with the range variable, range specified, range system specified variable, rather than we're taking it as p for our driver code so that we can sort them out from the input statement right there. Now I'm gonna take an if loops. I'm gonna start it. If I dot is alnum, which will tell us whether it is alphanumeric or not. So if it's equals true, then we're gonna take it as alnum plus equals 1. Okay, I guess you guys get it. Now we're gonna take it as if I equals we're taking a blank space right here so that we can use it in the nested if function too, nested if loop too, with the elif function right here. So we can do that with this 1t, which will tell us that number of if there is, then based on how much they are, it's gonna add one more word. It's gonna get that there's one more word here, and then we just get out of the loop. And now we're gonna print those variables, and for example, number of words in the string is, now we're gonna do it as n of words here, and then we're gonna take another print statement, number of characters, you get it, including white spaces and punctuations. So it's pretty much easier. You could directly print this one. Okay, not a big problem. Number of characters in this string would be n of CHRS, and then the last one, which is percentage of characters which are alphanumeric is, and then we're going to use it by, so right here we know the count of alphanumeric numbers, which is actually stored in the variable alnum. So we're going to use alnum here, then we're going to divide it by number of characters, because that's the total number of characters, so that's simply the length. Then we can just show a function of obviously of a percentage for specifying, for getting a more accurate one. We would just import a module known as math. We would take a function out of it, which is known as ceil. So we will just call out the math module, then ceil, and it's right here. And now it's totally fine. Oh, I get it right there. Actually, I go to multiply that by 100 so that we can get a percentage. It's not percentage, it's actually we was given the probability with a percentage mark, which is not pretty great. Now it's better, but still, yeah, totally fine. 93% of characters which are alphanumeric. Yeah, that's all. Your code is totally fine right here.